Welcome to heaven. Heaven is all there is. It's not up, it's not down, it's all there is. Once you recognize your heavenly being, you feel calm, you feel relaxed, there's no more anxiety. It's all about unity and synchronizing your personal vibration with the infinite vibration of being. Just relax yourself and let's meet in heaven. Blessings. Big welcome, my friend, to this heavenly meditation. Make sure that you're sitting or lying down comfortably. I'll just start by paying attention to the breath, how it moves in and how it goes out. Visualize that when you inhale, you invite the breath in with not much pressure or force. When you inhale, you invite the body to soften and soften and soften, creating space for the breath to move in. The awareness is what creates the space for the energy and the breath. So become aware of your whole body, like as a space in which the breath moves in and fills up. With no effort, just with awareness. What you're aware of become reality. What you visualize transforms into being. And now let's expand the awareness outside the body and expand the image of the space in which we're breathing into, to our aura, to our energy field. So when you inhale, the breath and the life force filling up your physical form and the energy field around your body. Again, no effort is needed, just clear image. That's what does the trick. I'm breathing now into a bigger space than my physical form. I'm visualizing this space. I'm feeling this space. I'm being this space. And then the breath will just follow and fill it up, and you're relaxing. Now expand your awareness to infinity. Allow your mind to be boundless. Allow your consciousness, awareness, to be everything. It's a permission. Or if you want, you can visualize it. But really, it is a permission for the mind to come home. It's the opposite of thinking or identifying. It's a complete liberation of your mind into source. In that infinite space which your mind occupies, invite now your nervous system, which might give you a sensation of a certain level of anxiety, some buzzy feeling that is not very comfortable, or a sense of tension. Invite all those sensations to synchronize with the infinite being which you are. Yes, so really what you're doing, you're calling parts of a human form to synchronize with the infinite form. Actually, with the infinite no form. I'm inviting my nervous system to synchronize with infinity. Remember that you are already infinity. You're not doing it from inside as a person, pushing discomfort out. You do it as infinity, calling parts of itself to synchronize. This is heaven. Infinite being is heaven, and you're already that. After you invited your nervous system to synchronize, invite your emotional being to synchronize with the infinite space which you are. Let's invite the heart center to synchronize and harmonize completely with the whole creation. Again, you are the whole creation, calling the heart center to harmonize. And let's invite our physical form to synchronize with the whole creation. You are the whole creation, inviting that physical form that normally you call me, I, to harmonize completely with the whole creation. This is heaven state. And now allow your mental form, this ego identity, I'm me, to liberate itself and to synchronize with the infinite being which you are. I'm calling my mind to completely synchronize and harmonize. So there will not be any separation between the infinite being and the human mind. They'll function on one unified spectrum. When the mind needs to think, it'll think, and then again it can be released and relaxed into source. When you're keeping this state of being, if there's still any physical, emotional, mental sensation, meaning thoughts or emotion, or physically, that you don't feel it's in harmony with the whole creation, meaning you're feeling it still, just call those parts, and gradually they'll synchronize, and you're going to feel so much better. Welcome to heaven, my friend. Have a blessed day.